Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wished for a browser that actually thinks with you? What if your browser could answer your questions, summarize web pages, or even help you manage files and ideas, all with the power of AI? Well, today I'm going to show you something amazing. It's called Neo Browser. Yes, it's not just a normal browser, it's an AI Gantt, packed with smart tools and features to make your browsing experience super powerful. The link to Neo Browser is in the video description below. Once you open it, you can easily create your account, download, and install it. After installing, you'll see this beautiful dashboard right in front of you. Now look at this. Right at the center, there's a prompt bar where you can type or paste any URL, reference, or just ask Neo directly. Want to upload a document or file? Just click the plus icon. Want to talk instead of typing? Tap the microphone icon, and Neo will instantly start listening and responding to your voice. And at the bottom right, there's a Settings tab where you can customize your widgets, like the clock, weather, invite option, and the feed feature, which keeps your workspace dynamic and smart. You can even invite your friends and collaborate right inside the browser. So, are you ready to see how Neo Browser can change the way you browse, search, and create? Let's dive in and explore it step by step. So, what can Neo Browser actually do? Let's try our first command and see how smart it is. For example, I'll type, compare MacBook Air M3 versus Dell XPS 13 performance and battery life. Now, I'll hit the chat button, and just within a few seconds, Neo starts processing the request. And look at this. It instantly shows a complete summary with all the details like performance, battery life, key specs, and even a quick comparison table. Everything is super clear and neatly organized on the right side. Now let's test another example. Here in the prompt bar, I'll type, summarize the latest news about AI startups. Once I click the Generate button, Neo again starts working its magic, and in seconds, it gives me a short and smart summary showing the newest updates, key points, and trends in the AI startup world. It's fast, detailed, and honestly feels like having a personal AI research assistant built right into your browser. Now let's try something different. What if I want Neo to read and summarize my own document? Let's test that out. This time, I'm going to click on the plus icon and upload a file. For example, I'll upload my AI PDF document right here. Now, I'll simply ask it, summarize my PDF. After that, I'll hit the chat button, and within seconds, Neo starts processing the file. And look at this. It instantly gives me a clean and detailed summary of the entire document. It highlights the key points, condenses the information, and makes it super easy to understand. That's how simple and powerful it is. Just upload, ask, and get your summary ready in seconds. Now let's try something even cooler, the AI search feature. So, what if I want to explore the latest AI trends? Within seconds, Neo starts processing and shows me all the top AI trends directly on the right side. Now, if I click on any website result, you'll notice this tiny Neo Browser icon appears. Once I click on it, I get two options. First, the eye icon, which lets me preview everything from the page in a pop-up view. And second, the summarize icon, which quickly summarizes the whole page for me. So, let's test it. Now if I click the summarize button, it creates a clean summary of that website at the bottom right corner. Super simple and efficient. I'll click the eye icon and you can see Neo instantly shows a neat pop-up with all the page details. No need to scroll or open new tabs. But wait, Neo isn't just for browsing. It even works inside your email. Let's test that too. I'll open my personal email and start typing a reply. For example, thanks for... You'll notice a pencil icon appears. When I click it, Neo asks, what can I help you write? I'll just type something like, provide more details? And instantly, Neo rewrites the email with a more detailed and polished version. You can also adjust the reply length. change the language, or even pick a tone, like friendly, casual, or professional. It's that simple. AI-powered writing right inside your inbox. So now, let's try out a few more cool things. For example, what if you just want to start fresh? Right here, we have the new chat option. Once I click on it, I can ask Neo literally anything, from summaries to creative ideas. Let's say I copy my YouTube channel link and paste it here. Now, I'll ask Neo to summarize my YouTube video. And look at that. It instantly shows all the details about my video, gives me a full summary, and even allows me to ask follow-up questions for more specific insights. It's super smart and incredibly easy to use. But that's not all. Neo browser can even generate images using AI. For example, if I type, "Give me a luxury perfume bottle with soft light and reflection," it instantly creates a realistic image of exactly that, a luxury perfume bottle with lighting and reflections that look stunning. Now let's move to another feature, the feed section. Here, I'll type something like "latest crypto trends" and hit generate. And just like that, Neo shows me the latest crypto updates, complete with summaries and visuals. I can also view the full preview or get a short summarized version using the icons below. Super convenient. In short, Neo browser is an all-in-one AI platform. You can chat, summarize, research, generate images, and stay updated with feeds, all in one place. So, if you want to try it out yourself, the link is available in the video description below. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.